Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are diving into a really fascinating tool that's trying to tackle the entire YouTube workflow all in one place. It's called WatchBoost, and it's basically designed to be your AI co-pilot, helping you with everything from that scary blank page all the way to analyzing your final numbers.
So if you're a creator and you're looking for a way to just streamline everything, from getting that first spark of an idea to figuring out how your video actually performed, well, you're going to want to stick around. Let's break down exactly how this thing works.
All right, so here's the game plan. We'll start with a quick look at what WatchBoost even is. Then we'll check out its namesake feature, the Watch Time Booster. After that, we'll dive into the AI Creative Toolkit, the Analytics Suite, and finally, how you can manage everything.
So, what's the big idea behind WatchBoost? Well, at its core, you can think of it as a kind of Swiss Army knife for creators, an all-in-one toolkit for every single stage of the process. Let's kick things off with the feature that gives the app its name, the Watch Time Booster. You know, this is all about tackling one of the biggest, most frustrating hurdles for new channels, just getting those initial watch hours in the bank.
And honestly, it could not be simpler to use. It's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just paste your video's URL into the dashboard, click Add, and the app just plays it silently on a loop in the background. It's a true set it and forget it kind of tool.
And what's really cool is that you still have a ton of control. You can run up to 4 videos at the same time, and the dashboard keeps track of every single loop, showing you exactly how much watch time you've racked up. You get a super clear, simple picture of your progress.
Okay, but let's be real, WatchBoost is way more than just a passive booster. The AI Creative Toolkit is where things get really, really interesting. And this is all before you even think about hitting record. This is all about conquering that blank page.
This whole toolkit is basically your secret weapon against the most common creative hurdles. You can generate entire scripts to beat writer's block, find trending topics so you're not just guessing what people want to see, and even turn your videos into blog posts to get more mileage out of your work.
Let's just zoom in on the script generator for a second. We've all been there, right? Staring at that blinking cursor with absolutely no ideas. Well, here you just give the AI a topic, maybe tell it you want it to be humorous and about 10 minutes long. It then spits out a full script. Hook, main points, outro, the whole shebang. And speaking of efficiency, the video to blog post feature is a huge one. This is a perfect example of working smarter, not harder. You take a video you already spent hours on, and the AI transforms it into a well-structured, SEO-friendly article. Bam! A whole new way for people to find your content.
Okay, so you've made your video. It's out in the world. Now what? This is where the AI Analytics Suite comes into play. It's designed to help you optimize your content and, more importantly, actually understand what your audience is thinking.
And wow, this suite is absolutely packed. You've got an SEO optimizer, tools to A/B test your titles, an analyzer for your thumbnails, and even ways to dig deep into your comments. It's all about giving you the data you need to get a real competitive edge. So let's take the title A/B tester as a perfect example. We all know how critical a good title is. Instead of just guessing, you can pop in 2 options. My trip to Japan is fine, but 10 things you must do in Tokyo. That creates urgency, it's specific, it's clickable. The AI predicts the winner, so you can make a smart, data-driven decision.
It's the same idea with your thumbnails. You upload your image, and the AI gives you this awesome little scorecard. Is it clear? Does it have emotion? How's the branding? It's not just a thumbs up or thumbs down, it gives you actionable feedback. Like, hey, your clarity and emotion are great, but maybe work on the branding a bit. That is incredibly helpful. But you know, growth isn't just about clicks and views. It's about understanding your audience. The comment analyzer digs into any video's comment section and shows you the overall vibe. Seeing a breakdown like this helps you instantly get a feel for how your community is responding, and it can even pull out common themes for your next video idea.
And this is where things get really sneaky. In a good way. The competitor analysis tool. You can point it at a successful video from another creator and get a full breakdown of what they're doing right, where they might be weak, and turn all of that into a list of clear opportunities for your own channel. And finally, the app ties this all together with some really practical tools for managing your workflow and connecting with other creators.
I mean, you've run all these incredible reports. What now? You can't just let that goldmine of data disappear, right? Well, every single report you generate can be saved right inside the app. You can see them all in one place, download them for some deep dive data analysis, or just save them as a clean PDF.
There's also a community page, which is a space to share ideas and get feedback from other people using WatchBoost. And here's the key detail, and I think this is really important: your privacy is built in. All the posts are stored locally in your browser, not on some public server, so it's a private space for you to connect. So when you kind of step back and look at the whole picture, you've got the Watch Time Foundation, the creative toolkit to build on it, and the analytics suite to refine and perfect everything. It's a remarkably complete system. Which really just leaves one last question. The tools are all here. What will you create?